Turning now to the latest on COVID-19 here in Arkansas. Today, the state added just over 2,300 new cases in the last 24 hours. Just over 700 active cases were added to the state's total. 3 more people were taken to the hospital with COVID-19, and the number of people on ventilators dropped by 27. We're sad to report tonight 16 more Arkansans have died from coronavirus. And looking at the latest on vaccination numbers, just over 11,000 doses were given out to Arkansans. 6,800 of those were second doses. Just over 1,200,000 Arkansans are now fully vaccinated against COVID-19.